All right, in today's video, we're going to be going over how to add an account to Outlook when you already have one currently installed. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. First things first, we're going to want to have Outlook open, so we're going to go and do that. And now we're going to go up to File up here on the left-hand side. Go to Add Account. And it's going to go ahead and search for accounts. Now it's going to suggest an account right off the bat. We don't have to use that. We can use whatever account that we want. If it already knows the account, then it'll generally pop up in this little drop-down list over here. But ultimately, you're probably going to have to type in what you want because most of the time it does guess wrong. So we're going to add an Outlook.com email to this one. Outlook.com emails are kind of like 365 emails. They'll just kind of add. They might ask for the password if the computer's never seen it before. IMAP and POP accounts, we have a video that we'll put up here on the top right that kind of goes over how to deal with that. So we're just going to go ahead and hit connect. And there we go. Boom. Account successfully added because it already knew what the password was. So we can just hit done. Sometimes that'll happen on IMAP and POP accounts too, by the way, if it's already familiar with them. So with Exchange accounts, unlike IMAP and POP accounts, it'll just pop over here on the side left sidebar. With Exchange accounts, you're going to actually close Outlook for about 10 seconds. And then open it back up. I don't know if that was exactly 10 seconds, but you want to just kind of close, reopen it. And then it'll do this retrieving mailbox settings thing here for a moment. And then boom, voila, we have our mailbox here on the left-hand side. And as you can see, it's just flying in here, just dropping all this data back in here for us. So that's basically the whole deal. Hopefully that was a nice, short, sweet video for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos. In the meantime, stay safe out on the net.